Vera City, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl VeraMoore, and I'm back with another reaction video. Today guys, I'm going to be reacting to Carpenters. This will be my first time reacting to them on this channel, and I can't wait to get into it. And this is Carpenters with Rainy Days and Mondays. Woo. Okay guys, I can't wait to get into it. But before we get started, we have some amazing people watching us for the very first time. If you are new here, I am Vera. I do reaction videos. We react to different artists on here, react to different songs from all over the world. If this is something that you love, why not join Vera City? Hit the subscribe button below, turn on that post notification bell so that you can always be the first person to know whenever a new video drops. And that's guys, let's get started. Wow.
Talking to myself and feeling old.
Wow.
Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown.
Wow.
Rainy days and Mondays always get me down.
Oh my god.
What I've got they used to call the blues.
Whoa.
Nothing is really wrong. Feeling like I don't belong. Walking around some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down.
Woo.
It seems I always wind up here with you. Nice to know somebody loves me.
Wow.
Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me.
Wow.
What I feel is come and gone.
Their vocals, so lovely, so touching. Guys, my heart is melting right now. This is so beautiful. Wow. Oh my god. Let's go on, guys.
Before, no need to talk it out. We know what it's all about. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. It seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. What I feel is come and gone before. No need to talk it out. We know what it's all about.
Oh my god.
Mondays always get me down. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days, Mondays always get me down.
Wow. Wow, this is so lovely. Oh my goodness. Guys, you see, this is one of the reasons I love songs from way back. Like music from back then. They had the best vocals. Can you listen to the song, the vocals, the lyrics? everything is just so smooth, you know, going so lovely. I really enjoyed this. Their voice is wonderful. The Carpenters, they are magical. The melody, like her voice is so melodious. What do you guys think about this video? Drop your comment down below. I really enjoyed this one. If you enjoyed this video as much as I did, give it a huge thumbs up. If you're new here, join Vera City. Hit the subscribe button below, turn on that post notification bell so that you can always be the first person to know whenever a new video drops. And that, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.